Okay, so this is an error-based type of question, type 8. A number is mistakenly divided by 9 instead of being multiplied by 9. What is the percentage error in the result? Alright, so you must take note that in this question we are dealing with numbers. A factor of 9 is involved in the question. So for that we will not assume a value which is given as 100, rather we would choose a value which is a multiple of 9, right? So 81 is one such number which is divisible by 9, and if you have a look at it, it is also a big enough a number so that it can give you a good answer as well. So let's see what. So a number is mistakenly divided by 9. So this given number is, let's say, 81, and if it is being divided by 9. So this is going to be 9. So this is going to be a wrong answer, right? Because it is mistakenly being divided by 9. The actual answer should have been, had it been multiplied by 9. So if 81 times 9 is 729. So this is your right answer, right? So now it is asking the percentage error in the result. So percentage error would be actually the difference between these two, right and wrong. The difference is 729 minus 9 over the actual value, that is the right value, 729. So this would come out as 720 over 729, and if you have to calculate the percentage value, you will multiply it by 100. You will see that these two values are very close to each other, so percentage value should be very close to 100 even. So this result that you will get would be very close to 98.7%. Once you look at the option, these things would become clear. If options values are varying from 90 to, let's say, the actual option 98.7, or let's say 75%, you can clearly see that this value is very close to 100%, in fact, because 729 by 729 is 100%, and 720 is not very far from 729. So your option has to be chosen very wisely. In fact, you don't even have to do calculation. Only if the option values are close enough, you should go for solving the actual answer, right? So this is how you solve the error percentage values.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page, where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.